Ever wanted to make a phone call directly from your app? It's easier than you think with Twilio. First, you'll need a Twilio account. Head over to Twilio.com and sign up. They usually offer a free trial with some credit to get you started. Once you're in, the next step is to purchase a Twilio phone number. This number will be your caller ID. When you make calls through the API, navigate to the phone number section and find one that suits your needs. Now for the fun part, coding. You'll use the Twilio API to initiate outbound calls. This involves writing code in your preferred language like Python, PHP, or Node. Using the Twilio library, the code will authenticate with your Twilio account using your account SID and auth token. In your code, you'll specify the Twilio phone number you purchased, the phone number you want to call, and a URL that Twilio will access to get instructions on what to do when the call connects. That URL is where the magic happens. It's a webhook that tells Twilio what to do with the call. You can use it to play a message, connect to another number, or perform other actions when the call is answered. Your webhook receives information about the call. Finally, you can handle call events like answering and hanging up through those webhooks. This allows you to track call duration, record calls, or perform other actions based on the call status. With these steps, you can easily integrate calling functionality into your app using Twilio.